हमारी बड़ी खुशकिस्मती है कि इस वक्त हमारे साथ नजीब गौरी साहब मौजूद हैं, जो कि एक बहुत प्रोमिनेंट पाकिस्तानी हैं और नेटसॉल के प्रेसिडेंट एंड सीईओ हैं, जो कि एक बहुत बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है पाकिस्तानी, और जो कि लंदन स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, कराची स्टॉक एक्सचेंज और नैस्डैक पे ट्रेड होती है। तो सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको खुशामदीद कहूँगा हमारे प्रोग्राम में।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। आई एम ऑनर्ड टू बी हियर टुडे।
सबसे पहले तो मैं मालूम करना चाहूँगा कि आप बहुत सारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को, बहुत सारी चैरिटीज़ को सपोर्ट करते हैं, तो हमें ये बताइए कि आप HDF को, व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न यू आर सपोर्टिंग HDF?
I think, Arif, I believe in education. I believe in literacy program, which Pakistan has major issue with. And you heard my speech. I am passionate about it. Education related, any organization which is doing a good work in Pakistan, whether it's HDF or many others, I believe in helping them anywhere we can, and we should. We are responsible to do that.
So, Ghauri Sahab, you have one of the largest technology company in Pakistan. So tell us a little bit about NetSol.
NetSol is a global IT company which supports auto manufacturers, banks with their software needs. Our software is a mission critical end-to-end solution which runs multi-billion-dollar businesses for Daimler-Benz, BMW, Hyundai, all major auto manufacturers in Asia Pacific and Europe and in US. So we support a very important software to help the customer grow their business in leasing and finance industry.
What do you see as the future of technology in Pakistan?
Pakistan IT is still very young. It is actually coming from a early stage to now in a more developing stage, but it is far from being a mature industry. There's a lot of new companies are coming to Pakistan from foreign countries. Pakistanis are coming back, bringing their ideas, new technologies, investment is coming to Pakistan. I believe Pakistan IT has just reported $1 billion export last month, which they crossed $1 billion first time, but the potential is very high. We have amazing IT talent in Pakistan, best, second to none. I can say that with conviction because I have people in San Francisco, London, China and Pakistan and Australia, and I can see the comparison. They're as good as any Western market. So Pakistan future is very bright. Technology in US is changing paradigm. There's so much happening in new technology. We have to always be innovative company, and the IT industry has to be innovative, adopt new tools and technologies so that we can do more things in a shorter span of time, be more efficient, more automatic, and make sure the company like NetSol is always ahead of the technology curve.
Any message for the Pakistani Americans? Because you lived in America for a long time, but your main business is in Pakistan, and you have really grown the company to a level where all of us are very proud, of your accomplishments. So, what message would you like to give to the Pakistani Americans and Pakistanis?
First of all, thank you, Arif. I am blessed. I am blessed because we were given opportunity to become a successful business and as a family. I think youngsters, whether they're in Pakistan or in US, they have equal opportunity to play a major part in Pakistan. It does no one any good if you don't look at where you come from and ignore the harsh reality. We are blessed with the tremendous potential in Pakistan, and it is our responsibility of Pakistani American diaspora to do more. Yes, Pakistan is a very giving nation. You know it in US and in Pakistan, but Pakistan needs a lot more help in socio-economic development, education, healthcare. These are the areas where the young Pakistani American must participate actively and make a difference.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.